I thank God that I'm able to attend this year's youth camp. It was truly another time of spiritual nourishment and fellowship with the youths. I was greatly blessed by Pastor's messages. This year's theme was to be a soul winner for Christ. I always had the impression that preaching the gospel to my friends was a very difficult and daunting task. I was always fearful of preaching the gospel to my unbelieving friends. I was worried about their adverse reaction and how they would tell their parents about me. Often I would cite excuses such as self-insufficiency just to avoid sharing the gospel. But I'm glad that Pastor has enlightened me and he has preached from Jeremiah 1:4-10. The example of Jeremiah being fearful as he was only a child is truly an example that we can apply in our lives today. We must not have any excuses when carrying out the great commission that Jesus Christ has for us, but trust in the Holy Spirit that works in us. Other than Pastor's messages, I also thank God for Brother Donald as he has provided valuable materials for us during the group discussions, and I have learned about the worthy trends and friendships that would endanger our souls. As a soul winner for Christ, not only must we preach the gospel to our unbelieving friends, but also to be a good testimony for Christ and to avoid being influenced by them and guard ourselves against sinful temptations. I thank God for all the uncle and aunties who have worked very hard to prepare the food for us, and lastly for the youth such as Dorcas, Amos and Janice who have organised the activities in the afternoon. All glory be to God.